Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download from SoundCloud. Alright, as you can see here, I have it opened on my Windows computer. Now, if you're lucky enough, for example, we're going to find a music right here. Alright, if you're lucky enough, when you click on the three dots right here, you'll be able to see downloads. Alright, just a quick heads up, that option is not available for all musics here on SoundCloud. Alright, other option to download a music. Here, for example, I'm going to click on this music right here. And when we go to this section right here, as you can see, there will be a free download button. Just go ahead and click on it. Or, for example, in the description, sometimes you'll be able to see links in the description and you'll be able to see free download as well. Just go ahead and click on it. All right. For example, here, I'm going to click on free download. It will land us to a different website. Don't worry, it is safe. All right. For example, here, I'm going to download this one. Leave a comment to support the artist. For example, nice music. Hit on connect. Another page will pop up. Connect and continue. As you can see here, please support the artist to unlock your download. I'm going to go ahead and follow this person right here. Follow. You can just unfollow them later if you want to, of course. All right, once you're done, just go ahead and tap on next. Thank you for your support. Tap download. All right, as you can see here, the download has started. Just wait for it to finish and don't play the music from here. And that's basically how you do it. All right, as you can see here, it's almost done. I'm going to go ahead and open up the folder. And as you can see here, it is now available. I'm just going to go ahead and hit on open to play the music in my device. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.